Tex-236-F, Part 1, Determining Asphalt Content by Ignition Method. Produce a sample in accordance with Tex-205-F, or quarter a sample in accordance with Tex-222-F. When the mixture is not sufficiently workable to separate the mix with a spatula or trowel, place it in a large flat pan and warm to 250 plus or minus 5 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Do not heat samples for more than 1 hour. Sample sizes should not be more than 400 grams greater than the maximum required sample mass as shown in Table 1 of the test procedure. When the mass of the sample exceeds the capacity of the equipment used, divide the sample into suitable increments. Combine the results for calculating the asphalt content. Weight it average. Determine and record the weight of the basket assembly to the nearest 0.1 gram. Place the loose mixture directly into the sample baskets. Evenly distribute the sample in the basket assembly, keeping the material away from the edges of the basket. Weigh and record the sample and basket assembly to the nearest 0.1 gram. Calculate and record the initial weight of the sample, total weight minus the weight of the basket assembly, and designate as WS. Input the initial weight of the sample into the ignition oven controller. Verify entry of the correct weight. Open the chamber door and place the sample and basket assembly in the ignition oven. Note, failure of the oven scale to stabilize may indicate that the sample basket assembly is contacting the oven wall. If this occurs, adjust the sample basket inside the oven. Close the chamber door and start the test. Note, this should lock the oven chamber for the duration of the test. Allow the test to continue until the stable light and audible stable indicator indicate the test is complete. Open the chamber door, remove the sample, and allow it to cool to room temperature, approximately 45 minutes. Do not use a fan to assist in cooling the sample to room temperature due to the possibility of losing fines. Weigh the sample and basket assembly after ignition to the nearest 0.1 gram. Calculate and record the final weight of the sample, and designate this weight as WA. Calculate the asphalt content of the sample. Empty the contents of the basket into a flat pan. Use a small wire sieve brush to ensure removal of any residual fines from the basket. Add those fines to the contents of the flat pan. Use the remaining aggregate for the sieve analysis in accordance with Text-200-F.